Now we're heading into Pooh.
Our story begins with this safety reminder. For a safe journey, remain seated with your hands, arms, and legs.
To say,
He's a Pooh too.
Right behind us is the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, which we also got on this morning as part of the early entry access. And it was so cute, you guys. Like,
yeah,
seriously.
It was cute.
We've ridden the one at Disney World and Disneyland, right?
Yeah,
Disneyland.
yeah.
I can't even remember where everything is anymore.
No, they do have them at those. I think it
Okay.
was better than both of those.
I would agree with that. There were a couple of extra scenes in there that aren't in either one of the ones that we have in the States.
Yeah, it was a lot longer.
It was. And it was just super, super cute. Like, it got me again. It got me in the feels. I mean, I didn't tear up or anything, but I just felt like super happy and like super nostalgic about it because Pooh was a big part of my childhood. So, again, I say that I can't stress enough that the early access is so worth it.
Yeah.
And the reason that I say that is because, we did look at some of the premiere access yesterday just to see if we could get on Frozen and whatever. And single rides are like $20 a piece. So, like, the thing is, we got all 5 of those rides for $25 a piece. So
Yeah.
It's just better to pay the money to come in an hour early
Yep.
and do it rather than to pay for single access or single premiere access passes because I don't think it's worth it.
Not here.
No, for sure not. So, it's just something to think about, and it's definitely worth it, in my opinion.
Yep.